What about the BMW 5 Series? Today the original car has a large screen of NBT. This system came to me to replace the green screen of the Evo. I have the original G38 screen in my hand. There is a screen holder for F18 at the back. Then a lossless installation can be achieved. It's the host of the Evo we're about to replace. If you have strong personal hands-on ability, you can modify it yourself. Please like and follow our channel. The disassembly and assembly process of my video. Let's remove this out of trend mahogany first. Then find a T20 screwdriver. There are 2 screws on this air conditioner panel. Remove it. There are 4 jump screws on the host. After removing the screws, this main frame can be removed. What about after removing the host? We put these hosts on. Just unplug all the plugs of the original car. Take out the Evo console we're going to install. Then, what about the wiring method of this Evo host? The wiring method is exactly the same as that of NBT. We just need to put this plug on the original car. Just plug it back one by one. The colors can match. It's very simple. There are also 2 screws on the screen. Remove the 2 screws. The large screen of this original car can be removed. There's just a plug behind this screen. We need to plug the original car into this screen. Just install this screen with 2 screws. The next step is to put the screws on. Then put the air conditioner panel. The one with the trend of the air conditioner. Just put it back and you're done. The next step is to program the skin code. Then write the certificate of this navigation into the host. And a copy of the certificate. Okay, we're all finished now. And let's see what is the effect after the final installation. First we see, is it a navigation function that comes with the original car. This map is also from the original car. CarPlay is full screen. What about this function? Many features are what we want. Others like radio DVD, including the USB stick, Bluetooth music, and a 200G hard drive that comes with it. These functions are available. That's the end of our video. If you need a specific modification tutorial, follow and leave a message.